Hi guys, I'm Vanessa again. I have here a collagen. This collagen is 9 Young Basic 500 milligrams. This is a collagen peptide and elastin flavored drinks. Pomegranate flavors, food supplement. This is guys, and so that you can see, we will open this. And voila, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 bottles of collagen inside. So we will see that is the collagen, guys. That is the collagen that we have. They send me this. Thank you so much. So send me the sponsor. Thank you so much. So this is the collagen. You need to shake first before you drink, and much better you eat first before you drink. Shake and you can drink it. So like that. Wow, that's good. And always remember, don't put it in the sunlight, guys. That is the collagen 9 Young Basic. So as we age, we need red collagen so that it will add elastic our skin, guys. And this is good because it will digest very fast because it's liquid, guys. And as we age, especially those like me that we are outside now of the calendar of our age, we need really a collagen in our body. So this is a dietary supplement, guys, and you can take it daily like this. What are you waiting for, guys? Buy now with this collagen. Anyway, it's from the Philippines. I see the manufactured here.